Hello, guys. Can you guys hear me? Yeah, hello. Hello. If you seen my if any of you seeing this and saw my post yesterday, I'll be I'll be posting like Sunday. I'll post it in there. And Monday, I'll not post. Tuesday, not post. I will post. Wednesday, not post. Thursday, not post. I will post. And Friday, not post. Saturday, I'll post. It's just like a 2 day thing. Yeah, today we're in the sick right now, but we're playing Prison Life. Let's go. Oh, shoot. Huh? Bro, what the hell is this? Hold on. Pa, pa, idol ko. Yeah. Yeah, guys, let's play Prison Life. If you don't know Prison Life, it's an old game. An OG game. Yeah, I'm playing it. I don't know how to control it now. Yeah, let me get. I just kinda just chill here and do nothing else. Hold on. I can the button. Hold on. I'm gonna use my fingers. I don't know why it's not working. This usually works, but it's not. Okay, we finally got it. Let's go back to ship lab. Yeah, just kinda chill. No tensions or anything. Yeah. I have a stuffed nose, I think. That's called. I don't know. Bro. How to sit? There. Drink. Drink. Nah. Usually these drinks I just played last night. I'm a Filipino YouTuber. Don't worry. Times are different. And looks like the police are trying to chill. I tried to eat my chips. No. Honestly, there's no tension for me here. Oh, shit, run! Yo. That's not safe, not the necklace. No! Damn! Run! All up. Damn! Oh my god. Huh? Adiman. Don't worry, if I talk to somebody with a different language, it's my parents or, you know. Oh, hold on. I gotta grab the guns. can't really control with shift lock. I mean, can't really control without shift lock. Let's grab that and that. Shift lock. And keyboard, the CTRL is, oh, over here. It says in the bottom right corner, or left corner. Yeah, the bottom left corner, it says press CTRL. Oh my goodness, stop that. CTRL to disable mouse lock. I think that means shift lock. Well, shift lock makes you run. Yeah. Oh shit. Kinda messed up. Okay, this is kinda hard to drive. Nice turn. Oh bro. A car can't drive. I don't know. A car can't jump. I don't know what I'm. Honestly, this video might be just. This video might be just. I'll end right now. Sorry, but yeah, maybe next Sunday because tomorrow I'll go. Oh shit. Okay, goodbye guys, and I gotta think for to change your weapons. If you have a keyboard and it's your first time, press 1 or 2 to switch like this, like that. Okay. Now goodbye. See you later. See you later. See you tomorrow.